Hello! Here's something interesting. How to read a company's balance sheet. A company's balance sheet is like an X-ray of the human body. What a good doctor sees in that X-ray, a layman will never notice. It's the same in investing. While one investor sees only marketing, advertisements, hype, and promises, another sees numbers that speak the truth. The balance sheet is a document that separates illusion from reality. It is the company's mirror, its internal structure, its DNA. If you want to invest in stocks with understanding, you must learn to read the balance sheet. Without it, you invest blindly. The balance sheet and the income statement together show what a company owns, how much it owes, how much it earns, and how it spends its money. This is the foundation of fundamental analysis. All stories about the future, all interviews, all visionary speeches by directors fall flat if the balance sheet shows that the company lives beyond its means, spends more than it earns, owes more than it's worth, or depends on debt, subsidies, or occasional capital injections. The first thing you look at in the balance sheet is assets. Assets tell you what the company owns. These are not just buildings, factories, computers, and equipment, but also cash, receivables, investments, and